Hi friends, hope you are doing well. So we have already covered the concept on number series. Now in this session, we are going to discuss the exercise questions which I have given you on number series. Okay. So first, the questions are on wrong number series. So in each of the following series, only one number is wrong and we have to find out the wrong number. So our question number 1. The series is 792, 173, 250, 323, 394 and 457. So in this question, what we will do? So the concept will remain the same. We will have to identify the slope. So here, when we will identify the slope, we will just look at the larger number. Larger number is 457 and the number just smaller to that is 394. So it is neither 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So, and this is an increasing series. So it is a concept on minimum slope. And in that minimum slope, something will be getting added over here. So let's start. So we will start with a smaller number, that is 7 and 92. So here we see that 85 is getting added. Then 92 and 873, we see that 81 is getting added. Then 173 and 250, we see that 77 is getting added. Then 250 and 323, we see that 73 is getting added. Then here plus 71 and 394 and 457, here is plus 63. So there seems to be something wrong in this. So now look at the series plus 85 plus 81 plus 77 plus 73. Just move one step ahead. So it will be minus 4. This is also minus 4. This is also minus 4. The rule is confirmed that this will also be minus 4. 73 minus 4, that is, it should be 69, not 71. So this should be 69. So 323 plus 69 will be equal to 392. So our wrong number is 394. So option D will be there. Okay. Now the second question. 6, 127, 227, 300, 372, 421, 457. Again, we will identify the slope here. So slope will be minimum slope. Now something will be getting added. Now 6 and 127. So how we reach here? So we added 121 to reach 127 from 6. Then 127 to 27. So plus 100 is here. Then 227 and 300. So plus 73 is there. Then 300 and 372 plus 72 is there. Okay, so if we say that 121 is 11 square, if we say that 100 is 10 square, so it should be 9 square, but this is not 9 square. So this is also not 72 is not 8 square. Okay, so we will proceed ahead. So we will see here that 372 and 421, this is 4 plus 49, and 421 and 457, this is plus 36. Here this is 6 square, this is 7 square. So the rule is confirmed that the rule is 11 square, 10 square, then 9 square, then 8 square. So it should be 227 plus 9 square, that is 227 plus 81. So it should be 308 instead of 300. So our wrong number is 300. So C is your answer for this question. Now look at the another question. 10, 15, 30, 75, 225, 900, 3150. Now again in the entire question we will identify the slope. Once the slope is identified, then we will proceed accordingly. Here if you will see that this the greatest number, the largest number is 3150 and the number just smaller to this is 900. So if we say that this is more than 3 times and less than 4 times, so let's say this is 3.5 times. So but here 225 and 900, this seems here to be 4 times. No, so something must be wrong here. Okay, so we will proceed back. 75 and 225, so yes, it's 3 times. 30 and 75, it's 2.5 times. 15 and 30, so it's 2 times. 10 and 15, so it's 1.5 times. The rule is confirmed. This is 1.5, this is into 2, this is into 2.5, this is into 3, so it should be into 3.5. So 225 into 3.5 will not be 900. So if we have to identify the wrong number in the exam, we don't need to calculate. We just see that 225 into 4 is 900 and it should be 225 into 3.5. That will be your answer. So directly you will say that 900 is wrong. But if you have to calculate, how to calculate it? 225 into 3.5. So 225 into 3 is how much? 675. And half of 225 is 112.5. Just add it. It's 7. So 787.5. So instead of 900, it should be 787.5. And now when you will calculate 787.5 into 3.5, it will come out to be, into 4, it will come out to be 3150. Okay. Now we will proceed to our next question. The next question is, the series is 8, 56, 336, 1680, 6720 and 20,040. Now again we will identify the slope. Once the slope is identified, we will proceed accordingly and you will get to your answer. So here it is 6,720 and it is near about 20,000. So can we say that it is near to 3 times? Okay, then we will look here, it's 1680 and it's 6720, it is near to 4 times. So it will be near to 5 times, it will be near to 6, it will be near to 7. So it is directly 8 into 7 is 56. Yes, 56 into 6 is 336. Yes, 336 into 5 is 1680. The rule is confirmed that it is into 7 into 6 into 5. Now directly we will check whether this is correct or not. 1680 into 4 is 6720 or not. So yes, 16 4 ja 6400 and 80 4 ja 320, 6720. This is correct. Now 6720 into 3, this should be wrong. 6720 into 3 is not 20,040, rather it is 20,016. No, it's 20,160. So your wrong number is 20,040. So D is your wrong. So D is your answer. Now we will proceed ahead on our next question. The series is 7, 11, 36, 54, 179, 215 and 558. Now again we will identify the slope here. So when you will identify the slope here, by looking at the larger number, the number just before that, it seems to be near to 2.5 times. But just look back, it is 179 into 215. This tells us that it's not a concept on either medium slope or mean slope or maximum slope. So this must be a concept on minimum slope. Means something must be getting added over here. So we will start from our smaller number, that is 7, 11. So here you add 4, 7, 11 plus 4, then 11 and 36 plus 15, then 36 and 54 plus 18, then 54 and 179 plus 125, then 179 and 215 plus 36 and then 215 and 558. So it is plus 343. Now looking at this plus 4, we see here that it is 2 square. Okay, now 15 we don't know, 18 we don't know, then 125 is 5 cube, then 36 is 6 square, then 343 is 7 cube. Now the rule is confirmed, this is 2 square, so this should be 3 cube, this must be 4 square, this is 5 cube. Now the rule is like this, plus 4 plus 3 cube plus 3 cube, it's 25, so plus 3 cube. So this 3 cube will be 27. So 11 plus 27 should be 38 instead of 36. So here 36, this is wrong. The rule is like this, 2 square, 3 cube, 4 square, 5 cube, 6 square, 7 cube, like this. Okay, now our next question. 10.8, 9.9, 11.9, 9, 12.6, 8.1. Now looking at this, we come to know that it's a concept on 2 series or ups down series. And something must be getting added, subtracted, or multiplication and division. Okay, so let's start from here. 10.8, 9.9. This is minus 0.9. This is plus 2. Then this is minus 2.9. Then this is plus 3.6. And this is minus 4.5. Now, if you look at this and analyze this series, it seems to be this is my 0.9 into 5. This is 0.9 into 4. And this is 0.9 into 1. So it must be 0.9 into 2. And it must be 0.9 into 3. So here you will add 9.9 plus 0.9 into 2 is 1.8. It will not be plus 2. So this is your wrong. So your answer will be 11.7 instead of 11.9. So answer is, which is wrong? 11.9 is wrong, D. In the exam, you don't have to calculate all this 9.9 plus 1.8. You only have to analyze which number is wrong. So here 11.9 is wrong. You will directly take it. And this will take barely 20 to 25 seconds to solve any question. Now, if you have to find out the wrong number here. So your series is 8, 10, 20, 50, 120 to 48. Now you will analyze the series. So something must be getting added over here. This is in increasing order. So here you will write plus 2. Then here it is plus 10. Then here it is plus 30. Then here it is plus 70. Now the rule gets confirmed by the 3 results. So here the first result is plus 2, plus 10, plus 30. So when you analyze it and when you practice a lot, you will come to know that this 2 can be 1q plus 1. This 10 can be 2q plus 2. And this 30 can be 3q plus 3. Yes, the rule is confirmed. This is 1q plus 1. This is 2q plus 2. This is 3q plus 3. So this will be 4q plus 4. That is, instead of 70, it will be plus 68. So 50 plus 68, this is 118, not 120. So 120 is your wrong number. So A is your option. I am just explaining the full concept over here, but in the exam you have to just take the wrong number. You don't have to calculate these things. Here I am explaining you so that you can learn the concept here and you will apply the concept there in the exam hall. So there you will save your time. Now question number 8. Now looking at the series 9, 5, 6, 11, 23, 60. Now which slope is this? So this is a concept on mean slope. Mean slope, I have told you that the larger number will be near to 3 times, 2.5 times like this. So 23 and 60. This seems to be near to 2.5 times. Okay. And when you will look at the first and the second number of the series, the second number will be near to half or like this. So yes, 9 and 5, this is near to half. Okay, the series is like this. 9, 5, 6, 11, 23, 60. 9 into 0.5. Now how will you reach on 5 from 9? 9 into 0.5, that is 4.5 plus 0.5. Now 5 and 6, so into 1 plus 1. Then 6 and 11, so into 1.5 plus, this is something like into 1.5 plus 2. Okay, so it is into 2 plus 1. Now 23 and 60, it is into 2.5 plus 2.5. Now here it is 0.5 plus 0.5, here it is 1 plus 1, and here it is 2.5 plus 2.5. So it will definitely be into 1.5 plus 1.5. So 6 into 1.5 is 9 plus 1.5 is 10.5. So your answer will be, wrong number is 11. So C is your answer. Again, I have explained you here the entire concept, but in the exam, you only have to analyze that whether 6 into 1.5 plus 1.5 is 11 or not. If it is not, then that is your wrong number. Then question number 9. 11, 20, 32, 60, 116, 228. Now again, you will analyze the series here, the slope here. The slope, looking at this number and this number, it seems to be near to 2 times. Again, 60 and 116, it is also near to 2 times. 32 and 60, it is also near to 2 times. 20 and 32 near to 2 times. 11 and 20, it is near to 2 times. Okay, so this is a concept on medium slope. Medium slope. Now we will start from the smaller number, 11 and 20. How you will reach here? 11 and 20. 11 into 2, that is 22 minus 2. Okay. Then 20 and 32 into 2 minus 8. Okay. Then 32 and 60 into 2 minus 4. Then 60 and 116 into 2 minus 4. Then 116 and 228 into 2 minus 4. The rule is confirmed that this is into 2 minus 4 into 2 minus 4 into 2 minus 4. So 11 into 2 minus 4 should be 18, not 20. So 20 is your wrong number. So your answer will be E. Question number 10. 360, 354, 347, 322, 273, 152. This is a decreasing series. And in this series, something must be getting subtracted because this is a concept on minimum slope. Now we will start from 364, 360, now 354, 347, like this. 360 and 344, 354, this is minus 6. Then 354 and 347, this is minus 7. Then 347 and 322, this is minus 25. Okay, then 322 and 273, this is minus 49. Then 273 and 152, this is minus 121. Now if you will analyze this series, and you will see that 121, this is 11 square, 49, this is 7 square, 25, this is 5 square. So 5, 7, 11, these all are prime numbers. So the prime number just before 5 is 3 and just before 3 is 2. So it will be definitely 2 square and 3 square. So 360 minus 2 square, that is 360 minus 4. This will be 356 instead of 354. So 354 is your wrong number. So option D. Okay. Now the next question. Here, in each of the following question, a number series is given. After the series, a number is given followed by A, B, C, D, and E. You have to complete the series starting with the number given, following the sequence of the given series, and answer the question given below the series. Okay, so question number 11. So here you have to analyze the logic in this series, and you have to apply the logic starting with the number 3 in this question. This is a new type of questions on number series. Nowadays you will find such type of questions in mains examination. Okay, so concept will remain the same. Here you will analyze the slope. The slope here seems to be 121 and 721. This is near to 6 times. Then 25 and 121. So it will be near to 5 times. Then 7 and 25, it is near to 4 times. So it will be near to 3 times, and it will be near to 2 times. So 2, 3, 7, 25, 121 and 721. Now we will start from the very first number, that is 2 into 2 minus 1 will be 3. 3 and 7, so 3 into 3 minus 2 will be 7. Then 7 and 25, so into 4 minus 3. Now I have told you that by the 3 results the rule gets confirmed. The rule is into 2 minus 1, into 3 minus 2, into 4 minus 3. It will definitely be into 5 minus 4, and it will be into 6 minus 5. Now you have to apply the same logic starting with the number 3. So 3 into 2 minus 1, that will be your A. So A is what? 5. Then 5 into 3 minus 2 will be your B. 5 3 is 15, 15 minus 2, that is 13. Then 13 into 4, that is 52. 52 minus 3, that will be 49. So that will be your C. So your answer is option 2, that is 49. Now the next question. 7, 15, 47, 191, 959, 5754. Now again here in this question, the concept will remain the same. You have to identify the slope. Now if you see here, this is near to 6 times. Now 191 and 959, this is near to 5 times. So this is near to 4 times, this is near to 3 times, and this is near to 2 times. So here 7, 15, 47, 191, 959 and 5754. So 7 into 2, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 into 2, sorry, 15 into 3, 45 plus 2, 47, 47 into 4 plus 3. So 47 into 4 plus 3 is 191. Now the rule is confirmed, that the rule is into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 4 plus 3. So it will be into 5 plus 4. This will be into 6 plus 5. Now you will apply the same rule starting with the number 4. So 4 into 2 plus 1, that is 9. A is 9. Then 9 into 3, that is 27 plus 2, that is 29. B is 29. You have to find the B here. So option 2, that is 29, will be your answer. Now this is again a new type of questions on number series. These type of questions you will find in the mains examination. Now whatever the question comes in the number series, the concept will remain the same. You can solve any questions on number series on the basis of that slope method. Now in question number 13, two series are given as follows. Series P, that is 420, 105, 636, 4459, 35,680, and series Q, A, B, C, D, E, and 28,960. If it is mentioned that both the series follow a similar pattern, then what is the difference between D and B? Means here it is given that whatever the logic applies in series P, the same will apply in series Q. So first we have to identify the logic in series P. Here, looking at this, it is near to 4500, and this is near to 35,000. Now how we will identify the series? So this seems to be something near to 8 times. 636 and 4459, this is near to 7 times. 105 and 636, this is near to 6 times. Then 20 and 105, this is near to 5 times. Then 4 and 20, this is near to 4 times. Now 4, 20, 105, 636, 4459, then 35680, 35,680. Now 4 into 4, that is 16 plus 4 will be 20. 20 into 5, that is 100 plus 5, that is 105. 105 into 6 plus 6, that is 636. Now the rule is confirmed. The rule is into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus 5 into 6 plus 6. So it will be into 7 plus 7. This will be into 8 plus 8. Now the same rule will apply here in series Q. A to B into 4 plus 4, B to C into 5 plus 5, C to D into 6 plus 6, D to E into 7 plus 7. So E to 28,960 into 8 plus 8. Now we have to find the difference between D and B. So first we will have to calculate E, then D, then C, then B, and then we will find the difference. Okay. Now how will you calculate E? Here we know that E into 8 plus 8 is equivalent to 28,960. So E into 8 is equivalent to 28,952. Now E will be how much? So 28,952 divided by 8. This will be how much? So this will be 3619, 3619. So E is your 3619. Now how you will calculate D? So E you know, if this is 3619. So D into 7 plus 7 will be 3619. Now D into 7 is equivalent to 3612. Now D is equivalent to how much? So this will be 516. Now if you have calculated D, can you calculate C? Yes, definitely. So C into 6 plus 6 is 516. So C is equivalent to 510 upon 6, that is equal to 85. Now you have calculated C, then B. So B into 5 plus 5 is equal to 85. So B is equal to 80 upon 5, that is 16. Now you know that B is equal to 16 and D is equal to 516. Now we have to calculate the difference between D and B. So in such type of question, you always take the mod of the difference. So mod is 516 minus 16, that is 500. So 500 is neither in option A, nor in B, nor in C, nor in D. So your correct option will be E, that is none of these. So this is a new pattern series which nowadays is seen in the examination. Another pattern, question number 14. A series are given as follows. The series are like this: 15, 19, 47, 158, 658, 3301, 19,855. Now, if it is mentioned that two numbers in the above given series are wrong, then what is the sum of these wrong numbers? Okay, so here in this series, two numbers are wrong. So we have to identify what are the wrong numbers here in the series, and then we have to add those two wrong numbers. So again, the concept will remain the same. We will start with the slope method. The slope method, this is 3301 and this is 19,855. This is near to 6 times. So this is near to 5 times. This is near to 4 times. This is near to 3 times. This is near to 2 times. This is near to 1 times. Okay. Now we will identify which is wrong. We don't know which is wrong, but the slope is confirmed here that this slope will be on maximum slope, and this will follow this pattern into 1, into 2, into 3, like this. Something will get added over here. So 15 and 19, then 47, then 158, then 658, then 3301, and then 19,855. Now we will start with the smaller number. So 15 into 1 plus 4, that is 19. Okay. Then 19 into 2, that is 38, plus 9, that is 47. So looking at this, can you say that this 4 is 2 square, this 9 is 3 square? So it can be like this: into 1 plus 2 square, into 2 plus 3 square, but the rule is not confirmed. The rule always get confirmed by the three results. Okay. Now 47 and 158. So 47 into 3 plus, so 47 into 3, that is 141, and plus 17 is 158. So here it is plus 17. But what the rules we are supposed to find it out here, that it is 2 square, 3 square, it should be 4 square. So if it will be 47 into 3 plus 4 square, that is 16. So it will be 157. It should be 157. Okay. Now we will check ahead. This is 158 and 658. So this is into 4 plus 5 square. Okay. So just check whether 157 into 4 plus 5 square is 658 or not. So if you will check 157 into 4, so how you will find 157 into 4? We know 150 into 4 is 600, 7 into 4 is 28, so it will be 628. Now 628 and 658. Now again, we are not getting the result, that is it should be 653 instead of 658, because we know that two numbers are wrong. So let's suppose that 158 and 658 are wrong. Now we will check ahead. If we proceed ahead and the results gets correct, so we will come to know that 158 and 658 are wrong. Okay. So here it is 653 and here it is 3301. Now what rule you will apply here? So you will apply here 653 into 5 plus 6 square. Now 653 into 5 is how much? So 653 into 5 is We never multiply any number by 5, just multiply it by 10. So it will be 6530 and just divide it by 2. So it will become 3665 plus 6 square, that is 36. So it will come out to be 3301. Yes. Now this is 653 into 5 plus 6 square is equal to 3301. Now it will be into 6 plus 7 square. So it will definitely be into 6 plus 7 square. Now rule is confirmed, into 1 plus 2 square, into 2 plus 3 square, into 3 plus 4 square. So this is wrong. This will be, instead of 158, it will be 157. Then into 4 plus 5 square. So this 658 is also wrong. It should be, instead of 658, it should be 653. Now the two wrong numbers we have find it out, that is 158 and 658. Now when you will add this, you will get 816. So your option C is 816. So option C will be your correct option. So you will find such type of questions in nowadays in the examination. Okay. Now another pattern on series itself. Given questions are based on a missing series pattern, and following that pattern find the relationship between P, Q and R. Okay. Now let's see the question. Here the question is, there are 3 series given and there is similar pattern in all the series. So you have to find what is this P, what is this Q and what is this R. The relationship between P, Q and R. So how we will find it? Okay. How you will find this P, how Q and how R. Now 300 and 324. So this is plus 24. Now 324 and 384. This is plus 60. Now 384 and 504. This is plus 120. Now you don't know what is this P and how you will proceed here. Okay. Now here 450 and 474, this is again plus 24. 200 and 224, this is again plus 24. Now 224 and 284, this is again plus 60. So if you are unable to find the logic here, you can analyze the 3 series, and from here you can come to know that this is plus 24 plus 60, this is plus 24 plus 60. So it will be definitely be plus 60. So 440, 474 plus 60, you will find it that Q is equal to 534. 534. Q came here 534. Now if this is 534, this is 384 and this is 504, so this is 120 plus 120. So 534 and 654 is again 1 plus 120, and 284 plus 404 is again plus 120. Now if this is plus 120, now here if you will find it that 654 and 864, 654 and 864, this is plus 210. So you will apply the same logic here itself. 504 plus 210, that will be your P. So P will come out to be 714, and you will apply the same logic over here, plus 210. So you will get R will be 614. But if you have practiced a lot in number series, you would identify this series plus 24 plus 60 plus 124 plus 120 like 24. 24 can be 3 cube minus 3. 60 can be 4 cube minus 4. 120 can be 5 cube minus 5. So what will be the next number? Next number will be 6 cube minus 6. That will be 216 minus 6, that is 210. Like this, the series will go on. 7 cube minus 7. So 7 cube will be 343 minus 7, 336. Sorry, 7 cube. Yes. So this will go like this. So here you calculated P as 714, Q as 534, and R as 614. Now what is the relationship between this P, this Q and this R? So here P is greater than Q, P is greater than Q, yes, and Q is less than R, yes, Q is less than R. So option A is correct. So we have find the solution for question number 15. Now look, this is a new pattern series. Here in this series, again the concept remains the same. Only you have to identify the pattern, and once the pattern is identified, you will find what is P, what is Q and what is R, and then you will find the relationship between P, Q and R. We will solve another question on the same pattern. Here, three series are given. One is 2700, 5400, P, 7200, 1440, 8640. Another series is 2100, Q, 1400, 5600, 1100, 26720. And another is 1500, 3000, 1000, R, 800, 4800. Now, analyze this series. Now, looking at this series, you will find that this is an ups-down series. So either it will be in the form of multiplication, division, or addition, subtraction. Now, look. 8640 and 1440. So this is exactly 6 times. Now look here, 2700 and 5400. This is exactly 2 times. Now 7200 and 1440. So this is into 5, means divided by 5. Now look here, 1400 and 5600. This is into 4. Now look here, 1500 and 3000 into 2, 3000 and 1000 divided by 3. Now the rule is confirmed, into 2 divided by 3, into 4 divided by 5, into 6. Okay, now you will find what is P, what is Q and what is R. So what will be P? So 5400 divided by 3 will be P, that is P will be 1800. So P you calculated as 1800. Now what will be Q? Q will be into 2. 2100 into 2 will be 4200. Q you calculated to be 4200. Now what is R? So R is into 2 divided by 3 into 4. So R will be 1000 into 4, that is 4000. Now look at the relationship between P, Q and R. Is P greater than Q? Yes. And is Q greater than R? No. Option A can't be your answer. Is Q is equal to R? No. Option B can't be your answer. C. Is P less than Q? Yes, P is less than Q. And is Q greater than R? Yes, Q is greater than R. Option C will be your correct answer. So guys, we have solved all the exercise question on number series. I have covered all the concept related to the number series, and on the basis of that, I have given you some exercise questions. Nowadays, these patterns are being asked in the examination. The concept will remain the same. Whatever the questions you witness in the examination, just apply the same concept. Applying the same concept, you will solve any type of questions on number series. Hope your concept is clear on the number series. In our next lecture, we will start with our new topic. Thank you all. Have a wonderful time.